The Eisenhower Matrix is for those who have a long to-do list and want to shorten it. It helps us do this by splitting our to-dos into 4 categories based on their urgency and importance. This then shows us which tasks should be prioritised, scheduled, delegated, or even eliminated. So, to kick us off, write down everything into one long to-do list. Next, download or create your own Eisenhower Matrix, or even just write an event's urgency or importance next to it on your to-do list. Then start putting your to-do list into the Eisenhower Matrix. After this, start adding to your Google Calendar. Make time today to do the urgent and important tasks. Even schedule time to delegate out the urgent but not important tasks, and plan to do the less urgent but important tasks. It's important to remember though that these tasks aren't static. A non-urgent task might become urgent because the deadline's moved closer.